What's good? What's good? What's good, my people? It's your boy Kim back again, presenting Mr. Kim Money Capital. And I just saw this tweet and I was like, you know what? This is crazy. Turkey businessman on Lira collapse. Even my mother is asking to invest in Bitcoin. It's crazy. It's crazy what's happening. And that's not even crazier, guys. My question is: are we headed there as a Kenyan, as a currency or not? But hi. This is hyperinflation is real. It's getting hot, guys. What's good? What's good, my people? Make sure you subscribe right there. If you love money, if you love crypto, if you love Web3, if you love NFTs, metaverse, and everything all about money, this is where to be. This is the place to be, right? So everything is dumping like crazy because of this. I mean, Bitcoin is dumping like crazy as well. It's crazy right here what happened, right? Yesterday I made a good short trade which was amazing. Super amazing, super amazing. I've actually not recorded it because I left it running at night. So yeah, it was just it was just amazing. You can see we have a very sharp decline since we broke this, we had this crossover right here, but this is a 15-minute time frame. Let's go back to the main time frame which we need to see now. So you can see very clearly here in our daily time frame we made a what we call a death cross. A death cross is when the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, which means that in short term the market is going down, it's trending downwards. You can see this is a lagging indicator. Why is it a lagging indicator? Crossed over here, but our momentum, our downward momentum started all the way here. So this always comes after to confirm that indeed we are in a mini bear market, and you can see very clearly that Bitcoin is crossing over and broken these very key levels, which was at around 37,400. Now I don't know. Are we headed now way back to the July levels, the last year levels, which was crazy around 30, 31 to 29K? I don't know, but if we are headed there, it's crazy. It's gonna be crazy because shit. Wow, you can see, shit. Bears are clearly in control. We are tired, and everything is showing us that we are already now in a bear market, right? But are we really? Are we really? Okay. All right. So what's causing this dump? I mean, everyone is asking themselves what's going on. So we have a couple of cases. We have the Russia crypto ban. You know, Bank of Russia calls for full ban on crypto. Okay, this was one day. This was yesterday's. Yes, this was yesterday's article. So people are bringing. We are seeing influencers mention this as one of the reasons, right? That's Russia. Hearing about Singapore as well. Singapore crypto ban. Spain and Singapore tighten cryptocurrency promotion rules. Binance moved to ban Singapore users from crypto trading. Singapore cautions against marketing of cryptocurrencies. Alright, these are 4 days ago, but um, I don't think this makes any effect. It's only about regulation. You see, this is the year where we're going to see a lot of regulations coming. Governments are trying to see how they can regulate money here and all that. But guys, it's crazy what's happening in this space. It's crazy, guys. But for me, I think I'm not a much more of a fundamental guy because I'm now more inclined into the trading part of things apart from the investing part of things, which is a long term thing. I'm trading and the short term profits I make, I just put them up on display, like um, I DCA into my long term holds, right? So what I think might be the cause, which from a technical point of view, this should be the case because we know there is a very high correlation of the stock market and the crypto market. So we can see this is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is basically an index of top 100 companies in the US in terms of market cap, right? So you can see we were in a very strong uptrend dominated by this 50 EMA, and it's only this was way back in March 2020 when we had that crash because of COVID, and since then we have been having a very strong trend line. You can see it right there since March 2020. Right now, we just broke very key levels. We just broke this trend line that was acting as support, and now we have already even broken the 200 EMA, which now signifies that we are in a true, in a true bear market. And you can see when right here it has completely broken structure. Not only has it, not only has it broken trend, but it has also it's also going to make a lower low. And you can see here it has been making consistent higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and we have broken momentum right here. We have actually if this closes below this lower low right here, trust me, it's gonna be hectic. And I think this is exactly what's causing the crash, because we see if the market crashes in stocks, that means even crypto will crash. And why is it crashing? You might ask yourself, why is it crashing? The truth is, um, anytime when investors start, seeing huge returns, because you can see if someone bought stocks from way down here, if you bought Nasdaq, you'll be in profit right now. So I must say, like, these big whales are deleveraging, they are de-risking their positions, which means they're trying to move now their money out of risky assets, and now they're taking it back to a little bit more comfortable and more less risky assets. And what happens is that stocks and crypto are among the risky assets, with crypto being even more riskier. So if people are dumping Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is less risky than crypto, that means they are also going to dump on crypto, right? So definitely, if the crypto market crashes, we're also going to see the Bitcoin and the crypto market go down the drain. And you can see here we are continuing to dump. We just crossed the 36K mark, and we are going even further down. So I don't know where else we are going. And you can see here we had a very strong imbalance right here, which was capitulated back in July last year, 21st of July. I remember this dildo right here, and then the market completely started ramping up like no man's business. And you can see now we've broken this support here. The other way, the other possible point of rest, I think, is around 31K, 30K. Who knows? So let's wait and see what's going to happen. But clearly, you can see we're in a very strong downtrend with immense volume. So if Bitcoin is dumping, has already dumped on 38% today, that means the rest of the altcoins are either 4, 5, even 6. And you can see DYDX right here is 21% down. It has completely um, it has completely disregarded the increase that it had in the past 2 days, which is crazy, because within these 2 days gains have been wiped out with only one candlestick. I mean, only today we have dumped 20%. This is crazy. This is how risky crypto is, right? This is how risky crypto is. So if the stock market is dumping, definitely crypto has to dump, right? Um, yeah, and you can see the Bitcoin dominance right here is continuing to increase, which means now Bitcoin is still taking over in terms of the market. If Bitcoin dumps, continue dumping, the market will continue dumping. So wow, it's crazy. So let's see Luna, what's happening with Luna. I made a short yesterday, and I can see this coming to retest all the way here. So chances are I'm going to also get in another trade today because there's a lot of manipulation and volume. So here is the position I entered the trade yesterday. It was just a rush decision because I saw the volume that was coming in, and yeah, I didn't have the time to wait. I went to sleep, man, and I hit my take profits. I wish I would have been awake. I would have probably added even more and made even more. But yeah, we made like 26% yesterday, which is amazing. Should have gotten like somewhere here. This was a nice bear flag right here. This is a nice one. Getting here and choof, got in there. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to place some key levels right here. So if we break there, I'm seeing us coming to retest all the way with this support zone right here. So if I have that in mind, so now we know once we break there, we're definitely gonna see ourselves coming all the way here, which is another cool 10%. It's crazy how these things are dumping. It's crazy, guys. And I have my stop loss at 1%, 1.5, which is what I'm comfortable risking. Yeah. So let's wait for this. I don't know if this deal. Let's wait for the next candlestick in the 4-hour time frame so that we know how it's gonna be. Or we can go even further down and say, you know what? Let's wait for this the next hourly candlestick and see if it's still gonna go down. But as you all know, we make our trades in the 24 in the 15-minute time frame. So this is what's gonna guide us, right? This is what's gonna guide us. So yeah, let's see if this is gonna turn out well. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, see, the most important thing is to wait for confirmations. Don't get in before confirmations. Like in this case right here, with this consolidation right here, I would have waited to see this breakout, then I would have gotten in right there when this came to retest this trend line, and then oof, oh, that would be a cool, that now would be sitting on a cool 5%, which is, with 10x leverage, that's 50%, which is great, right? Which is fantastic, So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, what's good, my people? Yeah, so yeah, that's exactly what's happening in the market. So in case you're wondering what's happening in the market, that's what's happening. So make sure you subscribe right there. Make sure you comment what you want me to talk about, and be ready because next week we're gonna have meetings in the metaverse, in the decentralized metaverse. Let's explore. Let's start now actualizing these things and being present in the metaverse so that people can also come in and join and know what's going on in the metaverse, right? So without further ado, cheers, guys. I I I I love you guys.